Hey guys, this is Mike. Today I'm going to be doing brakes, front and back. They're very, very worn. They will be coming out. They gotta go. I just checked them out and I already got the pads that came in, front and back. Yeah, that's my other car, it's the Panamera. And then I have my Daily over there in the back. It's a 335i. That thing's a blast to drive. We're taking off the old brakes. Old and nasty. There's some there too. You gotta go. So now I just popped the rear brakes off. All I have left is the front brakes. There's two bolts right here. Those come off. This comes off. And you push the caliper back with this lovely tool. This thing is awesome. You can rent it at Discount Auto Parts for free. From there, put new brake pads in, and you can see the old one. Extremely worn, it's done. So I'm gonna put it back together now. So it turned into a brake job, turned into pretty much me cleaning everything inside the wheel wells. Yeah, they're pretty pristine now. I took the mud flaps off. I didn't want anything to do with those. You can see it's very, very clean in there. So the brakes work awesome. I tested it out. Everything's good to go. And I'll update you guys soon.